So, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be talking about this Texas mold. Okay. So, this Texas mold, it's not back, it's reversed, so it's backwards. Okay, so this is how, Texas is supposed to be. This is how Texas is supposed to be. But the mold, you actually pour in backwards. Okay? So, I did some YouTubing and I couldn't really find where or how to do it properly. So I'm going to basically show you how to do it. I'm not going to actually do one today because I don't have the material, I don't have the time or the material, but I have one made. I have one made right here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. There's a helicopter flying over. So I used a green, I used a brown that you can kind of see up here and right there. You might be able to see it better on the back. Okay, brown. And then for this tan, I used a bunch of different colors. So for the mold, what I did is I mixed up 3 different colors. Okay, or I mixed up I did 3 different color batches. Like I said, I did a brown, a green, and then a tan. I just basically had to make my own tan. Okay, and then what I did is whenever I poured it, I poured them all equally in together, and it kind of like I did. Obviously, I only have 2 hands, so I did the green, and then I did the brown, and then I did the tan, and then I kind of just swirled it around like this with my hands. I did another one. This is my second one I've ever done. So I did another one, and the trial was, it came out great on the front, but the back was like the actual, I guess the front of the mold, or the top of the mold, I guess this is the top, came out a lot cooler, like it looked cooler, but the bottom of the mold, like what is actually the front like this, didn't look good at all. Like it was just a huge tan piece. It was bad. So this is my second one. Okay. So basically what you do is you pour it in there. You have to kind of go like in reverse steps. So poured it in, kind of mixed it all together like so, and then just let it sit. I let it cure for 48 hours. Took it out, popped it out, then it came out like so. Now this, I put a clear and obviously a sticker on it. So this is the back. This is actually how it came out right here. So obviously this is the back. I'm not that worried about it because I'm going to sand it down and get it smooth. And I'm going to put hangers on it to hang on the wall. So this is actually what you see. So this is the pretty side. This is the nice, neat, beautiful side. It's the clear came out great. I will say if you're going to do a sticker or if you're going to do something, it's kind of a pain to get the sticker on because the front is so smooth because of the mold. So you have to be really careful with putting a sticker or something like that on. Now, if you're going to do something like bottle caps, sorry, there's a car. Now, if you're going to do something like bottle caps, bullets, whatever, then what you have to do a clear first. So you go clear, and then you let that kind of sit and cure, and then you do your bullets, your bottle caps, whatever, and then you do a real light coat of another clear to kind of make sure that they don't come up, they don't pop, they don't do anything like that. And then after that second coat of clear, then you add your color. Then you add your camos, your greens, your blues, whatever you want to put on there. I haven't done one of those yet. That's what I'm about to start prepping and working on. But it's kind of a learning process. Anyways, random note. This is a coffee table, or not a coffee table, an end table, that I'm not 100% done yet. I had to fix a little spot right here, but that'll be done shortly. So, anyways, if you like this video, comment, or give me a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. But if you like it, if this was actually helpful, that would be awesome, and I hope that it is helpful. I'll link the Texas mold. All of them are backwards. Everything that I've ever found: Texas, Colorado, like Hawaii, Florida, California, or Colorado's not because it's square or whatever. But everything is backwards, so you have to do it this way. So I'm getting more into wood making. This is a coffee table, end table that I've done. It's not 100% done yet. I just put this on there to kind of help it stay flat. But I'm going to be doing more woodworking videos. I'm super into it right now, and it's kind of a new passion. That being said, make sure to follow the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Comment if this was helpful, and I really hope that this is informative and helpful to y'all. Like I said in the beginning, I couldn't find anything to help me really pour a good Texas, a good state logo, or a good state. So yeah, thanks guys. Like, comment, subscribe. You can get my shirts. I'll put a link in the description or on the video somewhere. But thank you for watching the video, and yeah, see you in the next one.